Hi guys, thanks for dropping by Designed by Kathy. Today we're going to do an acrylic pour we're going to go for a galaxy look. And if all works well, this is going to be part one of a two-part series. So let's get started and see what we can come up with. So for this galaxy pour, I'm going to be using two shades of blue. I've got a navy Craft Essentials, and I have Apple Barrel Real Blue. I'm also going to be using some black, which is Craft Essentials, and some Apple Barrel White. I have mixed up my paints here, and I have added about a 1-to-1 ratio of my Liquitex pouring medium. So I'm going to start here. Let's start here with the black. We're going to try to aim for about here over. Let's see if I want to see if I can gently spread this out, where it'll go ahead and go off the edges there. Running out of room here. I'm just, like I said, moving this paint around a little bit so I won't have to do quite as much tilting and whatnot. I'll do a little bit here, but I'm going to make sure we get that all spread around. I want to wipe my tool off. Now I want to take my lighter blue Gonna pretty much do the same thing. Now when we come back in part two, what we're going to do is we're going to resin this, and we're going to add stars and hopefully a little depth to the project here, to the painting. I want my darker, a little bit darker navy blue. Just gonna go ahead and take that out since I poured all over the other one here. I didn't want to pour this as a dirty pour per se. I wanted to keep the colors a little bit more singular of each other. We are going to throw some of that blue through there. Just kind of swirling that in there a little bit. I kind of like the black added in there, so we're going to keep doing that just a little bit here. Making sure to cover my edges. I'm just gently, excuse me, gently kind of swirling this in because if we stirred it, we would just make a whole different color, and that would defeat the purpose of what we're trying to do. Okay, so now we're going to work on the center here. Oh, there was a bubble. It popped. Let's see if I can get that kind of out there. I'll start just in the center. And I'm just going to keep, I want to swirl it around and around. I'm trying to just carefully manipulate this a little bit to go cover this center part, which see if we can manipulate that one over just a little more. Using just my little paint stir stick. I'm just kind of moving some of this paint around, just kind of give it, you know, some highlights and lowlights, if you will. Okay, so now there we have that. That's phase one. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back with our resin and see if we can create some stars and some depth to this little galaxy painting. So stay tuned and join me for part two. So there it is, we have our galaxy. So we're gonna come back next time and we're gonna add some stars along with our resin coating. So I hope you'll check in. Please feel free to leave me a comment, and I hope you'll like, share, and subscribe. Whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. I'll see you next time.